I'm Rie, I'm a tasty producer. Today, I've been challenged to take a common food and make it fancy. The rules are, you must use the food given. You can only add to the food. You can buy whatever ingredients you wish. Once you begin cooking, you must complete upgraded dish in 30 minutes. Let's see what it is this time. Marshmallows. I have had a marshmallow before. This is very unusual for this show. Yeah, it's marshmallows. It's a little too sweet for me. It's very fun. I love touching marshmallow. I wish it was my pillow. I wish I'll be making big for me. Texture is kind of boring. You don't want to eat it as it is. Sometimes like you make s'mores, sometimes you put in a hot chocolate. Can I make something to express my feeling about marshmallow? Marshmallows are blank canvas. Alright, I'm super excited. I got some great ideas. I cannot wait to make it fancy. Here is what I got. Chocolate, 100% cacao, fresh raspberries, heavy cream, coconut, vanilla ice cream. From the pantry, I got edible glitter and rum. I also have two secret weapons for this time. This is my girl, little spoon princess, and edible gold from my private collection. All right, let's get started. Make it fancy. All right, let's start the clock. 30 minutes starts now. I'm going to use same amount of marshmallows and same amount of heavy cream. So I'm using 100 milliliter. I'm going to put in a pot and melt them. Marshmallow is very sweet, so it has a lot of sugar in it. If you heat it up too hot, it's gonna burn on the bottom. Meanwhile, I'm going to chop chocolate, 100% cacao, so it's not sweet at all. If you just wanna eat it, yeah, you don't wanna eat it by itself. So since marshmallow is super sweet, I didn't wanna add any sugar. Even bittersweet chocolate, I feel like it's gonna be a little bit too sweet. I'm just chopping very finely so it will melt quickly. So I put 115 gram chocolate. Just want to taste. That's a bad idea. I knew it, but I just couldn't help. Okay, let's check the timer. I have almost like 27 minutes left. The marshmallow is melting. I'm gonna just melt completely.
Ray, you know who loves marshmallows?
Who?
Alligators.
Alligators?
Yeah. You know who's coming to taste test today?
Alligator?
Yeah, no.
It's like 90% melted. The texture is almost like an evaporated milk. It's a little bit thicker than heavy cream. It's a little bit looser than condensed milk. Just make sure everything is melted, no like white bits from marshmallow. And I'm going to add the chocolate in a bigger bowl. So I'm going to just pour over chopped chocolate. I have about 24 minutes left. I'm going to mix with whisk. You just wanted to make sure everything is well incorporated. Texture-wise, kind of look like mayonnaise, kind of thick, like that. Yeah, it's much better. I have ice bath and I'm going to whip some cream. So I'm not sure how much heavy cream I have to whip. So I'm gonna just start with 1 cup. I'm using ice bath because when heavy cream is colder, it whips faster. So I want to use whisk instead of hand mixer because I can control the texture I want. Oh, I forgot something. Rum. Hey! I'm gonna start with half tablespoon. Wow, it's heavy. Half tablespoon of rum. So far, I feel like I'm using booze for my cooking.
I think that's pretty established.
I'm just like whisking and kind of switching my wrist because it's hard work. When my wrist is tired, I kind of like change the direction I'm going. There is no right or wrong way, just whip. All of my arm muscle are coming from whisking whipped cream. So it's almost ready. I want to do a soft peak. So now I'm going to combine these two. Nice and airy. I'm gonna add a little bit. Ooh, nice. I like the color. So let's get everything. Nice. I think it needs a little bit more rum. You don't need to add rum at all if you don't like alcohol, if you're underage. But I'm adult. I do what I want. It's so good. So I'm going to transfer this to piping bag. I'm using a star tip. You don't need to use it. I'm just using it to make it fancy. Let's check the timer. 12:30. So I'm going to rest this in the refrigerator. Be right back. For my next step, I'm going to use more marshmallows and make something totally different. I'm gonna just use 4 of them. So I'm going to put this in a microwave for just 15 seconds and I'll be right back. I microwave marshmallows and it's soft and nice. I'm going to put in a baking sheet. Oh, it's very sticky. Yeah. I'm spreading it so I don't need to cook too long. So basically, I'm making this marshmallow into crispy cookies. So I'm going to bake this in the oven. My marshmallow cookie is baking in the oven and I'm going to pipe this mixture into champagne glasses because champagne glass is fancy. So I'm using star tip and it kind of makes beautiful like rose kind of shape. And I want to fill all the way up to the rim. This is really pretty, so I don't want to mess with it. I like using cocoa nibs because it's bitter, so if you're making something super sweet, it will balance out the flavor. And also it has a nice crunch. Cookie should be done, so I'm gonna grab it. All right, it's nice and brown, it's crispy. I just want to give a little, glitter for a cute presentation. Let's check the timer. About 4 minutes left. So I got ice cream and hot water. I like using this spoon because it's nice curve and pointy tip. When you go to a fancy restaurant there, it's a football shaped ice cream. This kind of spoon works the best. Ice cream is super cold and it's hot water so it melts. It's been a while, so don't judge me. You just need to practice. It's not the easiest thing you can do from the first time. Let's check the timer. And I have 2 minutes left. Final stretch. And I just top with raspberry. My other secret weapon, edible gold. So you don't want to use a lot. The cookie. It's nice and crisp. Can you hear that cracking sound? I'm gonna just place it like that, and we're done. So good. It's maybe the fanciest I made. Right, Hannah? Welcome to Fancyland.
It's beautiful. I want to live here.
Yeah, we have all kinds of different hard liquor.
That's all you need. You need hard liquor and some dessert.
All right, do you want to try?
Yes. I feel like if I was at a fancy tea, this would be the grand finale. It's so beautiful.
Did you hear that?
I mean, there's gold on here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm glad.
I'm gonna dip you.
Yeah.
I would never in my life guess that this is made out of a marshmallow.
Yes. Did I make fancy?
This is the fanciest thing I've ever eaten.
Yes. Make it fancy. Ryan, welcome to my marshmallow wonderland.
Marshmallow Wonderland.
I made a chocolate mousse and a cookie from marshmallow.
Wow. And the raspberry?
Raspberry is not marshmallow.
Wow, big old one clump of gold flakes, right?
I know. This is my private collection.
This is your you have a private collection of gold
Yes.
flakes? I also have a collection of flakes.
What kind of flake?
Uh,
That's not the...
has anybody done this? Has anybody?
Actually, Hannah did, but you can do it.
Nah. I like to be
mean-
original. It's quite good.
Thank you.
Should we do the dance?
Of course.
Okay. This one?
Yeah.
This way first?
Yes.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
one.
Make it fancy. Thank you for watching. I hope you will make marshmallow fancy. If you do, please tag me on Instagram, #MakeItFancy. And don't forget to dance. Make it fancy.